everyone, introduce myself. My name is Aulia Dewita Maharani, class 12 in Culinary Arts. Here, I will explain the technical bit for microwave. Product name microwave. Definition: microwave are electromagnetic waves with a wavelength between 1 mm and 1 meter and a frequency between 300 MHz and 300 GHz. Microwave function. The main thing about a microwave is to heat food quickly and efficiently. This allows heating food such as soup, rice in minutes. Objective: a microwave is a kitchen appliance that functions to heat food. That's why instant food and leftovers will be warm again before eating. Component microwave. 1. Transformer. Microwave require a high voltage of power to adequately and cook food, following the rule at the very last degree of between 3000 or 4000 volt. 2. Magnetron. Transformer and converts it into microwave energy to warm the food. 3. Wave combiner. It is an empty cylinder produced using metal. This communicating and coordinating the microwave by the magnetron towards the cooking hole or chamber. The internal dividers are intelligent, permitting the microwave to skip this line. 4. Cooling fan. A microwave is also in danger of overheating, as it contains a cooling fan as an important microwave oven component to keep this from occurring. The cooling fan in a microwave attempts to disperse the hotness by the stove. This guarantees that it stays at a level. 5. Cooking vessel. One of the most important microwave components in order to achieve an efficient heating. This cooking cavity is the focal empty face of a microwave. Where food is put to be cooked, heat up, or thawed out. The cooking hole will in general be made cool, contrasted with the size of the whole microwave, which may appear to be strange, contrasted with other cooking apparatuses, where the size of cooking space is like the general size of the machine. 6. Rotating plate. The glass plate inside the microwave hole, which is normally removable to make for sample cleaning. The motivation from table is to pivot the food around, so it cooks all the more equally. Staying away from hot or cold spots. 7. Inspection window. Talking further of microwave oven components is the control panel. This is the frame console from where the user gives the instruction to cook or warm the food. The size of the microwave control panel varies from model to model. Product is: a microwave is an electronic kitchen appliance that uses electromagnetic waves. How to use a microwave? 1. Pay attention to the equipment used. 2. Arrange food so that it cools evenly. 3. Cover heat food. 4. Set the right temperature time. 5. Clean after use.
How to use the microwave? If the power cable is connected to the power source, the display will look like this. Press stop, then select power by pressing power. It can be 1,000, 800, 600, 400, and 2 adjusted to your needs. This time with using 800. Press first to set the time. You can add more or less. Then we open the door and put in the material to be heated. Close it and press start. Then we wait when the heating time increases. There will be an display. We open the basket door and we can take material. Don't forget to the power cable.
Thank you for watching.